project selection. In the Company, Project and Construction Site selection, you confirm at which level you want to request data from MyDocker. The selection can be changed at any time. The project selection opens by clicking the arrow. You see here all companies and their details. By clicking on the arrow next to the company, all projects appear, and with a click on the arrow beside the project, the construction sites open. Should there be several projects accessible by you, then you can search for the company name or numbers, as well as the project names and numbers. Furthermore, it is possible to filter completed or running projects here. The project selection can be closed in one of three ways: through the link Hide, by clicking next to Selection, as well as with the arrow.